Solve the equation 3x divided by 5 plus 2 equal to x minus 2 all divided by 3. Now we are given 3x divided by 5 plus 2, which is equal to x minus 2, and that one is divided by what? 3. Now you see that this equation question is having fractions in it, right? We have fraction here. We also have fraction here, right? And the denominator for this fraction is 5. That of this fraction is 3. So since we have fraction in this equation question, the first thing to do is to make sure that we get rid of the fraction, okay, before we can proceed. By that, you have to find LCM of the denominators in this question. Then you multiply the LCM by each term in the question, so that you can get rid of the fractions in the question. So now let's take the first one. We have 5. By finding the LCM, we have to write the multiples of 5. Now you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let me end there. We have 3. Let's write the multiples of 3. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and the rest. Let me end there. Now looking at the multiples of 5 and 3, which of them are common? Now we have 5 here, we don't have 5 here. We have 10, we don't have 10. We have 15, we have 15 also here. So we have 15, 15. We have 20, no 20, 25, no 25. So the first common multiple for 5 and 3 is what? 15. So we take that as our LCM that we are going to use to solve this question. Now let me clear this. Now we have the LCM to be 15. So you multiply the LCM by each term in the question. So this is the first term, 15 multiply 3x divided by 5. We come here, 15, we multiply it by 2. We come here, 15, we multiply it by the whole of x minus 2 all divided by 3. Now, 15 divided by 5 will be left with what? 3. 15 divided by 3 will be left with what? 5. So we have 3 multiplying 3x plus 15 multiplying 2, which is equal to 5 multiplying x minus 2, right? Now 3 multiply 3x gives 9x plus 15 multiply 2 gives what? 30, equal to 5 is multiplying all the entities in this bracket, right? So you multiply 5 by x, and we also multiply 5 by negative 2, okay? So 5 multiply x becomes 5x. 5 multiply negative 2 becomes what? Negative 10. Now that we've reached here, the next thing to do is to group like terms. And by grouping like terms, we are writing all the terms that are having x in them at one side of the equation sign, and then write the remaining numbers which are constant at the other side. So I want to write those having x in them at the left hand side of the equation. So I'm having 9x here. I'm taking this one from this side to this side. It's positive. So when it comes here to be what? Negative. So I have negative 5x. Equal to, I came to meet negative 10 here already, so I write it. Now I'm sending the positive 30 to the other side. It will be what? Negative. So we have negative 30. 9x minus 5x gives 4x, which is equal to negative 10 minus 30 becomes what? Negative 40. Now you divide each side by 4 because we want to get rid of the 4 so that we can make x the subject. Now you divide these two by 4. 4 divides 4 will be 1. Multiplying x will be what? X left here equal to negative 40 divided by 4 becomes what? Negative 10. So this becomes the final answer that we get when you solve the equation 3x divided by 5 plus 2 equal to x minus 2 divided by 3. Our final result is what? X is equal to negative 10.